people of Earth, it's your girl Genevieve. I just want to say thank you guys so much for liking this video, and thank you guys so much for sharing it, for commenting, and keep on doing what you're doing because that's what makes me me. And I just want to continue saying, guys, continue doing you because you guys are supportive, and I love that you're supportive, and I'll keep on making more videos. And yes, if you want me to make a certain kind of look which I could try out, please do comment, please do send me a picture, and I will definitely try my best to actually try out that look and show you guys how I do it. All right, thank you. Look at it! Look at it! Oh my god!
Tó bá ta fẹ́lẹ́fẹ́lẹ́ náà kan santi.